Hello, just another quick video on StarLine UK. We're actually going to show now what we call hands-free mode. So we've programmed it in such a way that rather than you having to take the keys out of your pocket, obviously you need it to start it and drive away, but every time you're going into the van, you don't have to find the key, especially if you've got things in your hand. So we've set it to hands-free mode. So what I'm going to show you now, I'm going to walk away, hit a certain distance, you're then going to hear the chirp and the van's going to lock. System is armed hands-free mode, and then I'm going to come back. You're going to hear it double chirp. System is disarmed hands-free mode. So I'm going to show you that now quickly. There you go. Very, very clever. Very clever bit of kit. System is now disarmed. Get in the vehicle. And as again, ignition on. I'm going to try and start it. System won't start. Authorization mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it about 5 seconds. Start your vehicle. And takeover mode.